Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to show you some of the unique features on our Savage Fudge Kettle. So here you've got the power button, you pull that out to start. Here is where you set your temperature. You've got your heat on button and your alarm button. You can pop that on and walk away from the kettle. Once that kettle has heated up to your required temperature, an alarm will sound. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. And you've got your agitator. Now, these temperatures up here are linked to the internal thermometer right there. So this will tell you what your product temperature is at all times, making sure it is getting to the temperature it needs. There's the two paddles inside the kettle for mixing. Now this kettle locks on a tilt. That's great for pouring and for when you're making your fudge. So I'll just show you. So all you do is add butter, water and your fudge mix, and in 35 minutes you've got 14.5 kilos of made fudge.